The EYYA Cordless Car Vacuum is an innovative 4-in-1 device, offering modes for suction, blowing, inflation, and vacuum compression, making it highly versatile for various cleaning tasks. Its powerful 15,000 pascal suction capability, accompanied by an 86,000 revolutions per minute motor, ensures efficient cleaning of both home and car interiors, while maintaining a quiet operating sound of 40 decibels. Equipped with a dual filtration system, this vacuum effectively prevents suction loss and clogging, utilizing both a steel filter for large debris and a washable HEPA filter for fine particles. The vacuum's built-in 4,000 milliampere-hour battery supports fast charging via a USB port and provides up to 25 minutes of runtime, promoting energy efficiency and convenience. Weighing just 0.88 pounds, the portable design allows easy storage and maneuverability, while its cordless nature eliminates the risk of electrocution or slipping during use. An integrated LED light enhances visibility in dark or hard-to-reach areas, doubling as an emergency torch, which adds to its practicality and appeal.